Welcome back to my channel. It's time to say goodbye to chemical-based glowing skin product and opt for natural face beauty tips. Removes dirt from the pores and gives you clean skin. There are many home remedies for glowing face or how to make your skin glow online. Still, you are looking for the best glow skincare tips for radiant skin, which has no side effect but suits your oily skin or dry skin. So, well, this glowing skin mask will help you to make your skin shine and revert natural glow on face. This remedy is very effective for whitening skin and remove unwanted hair for your skin. Before you start this video, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more videos. How to 100% skin glow face pack for glowing skin. First step. Take 2 tablespoons of rice powder, 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric, add few drops of lemon juice and warm raw milk. Now mix it well and apply in on your face, hand and leg skin. Massage it on skin and make a thin layer on your skin, then go away at for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, wash off with normal water. Second step. After then wash of normal water, then add few drops of coconut oil, moisturizer and massage it on your skin smoothly. 5 minutes. You will get soft whitening smooth skin instantly and will remove unwanted hair from your skin. You can use this home remedy 2 and 4 times in a week for best result. I hope you enjoy watching the video. Please do share and subscribe our channel. Take care. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.